Today we're going to talk about Unamol, also known as Cisapride. If you suffer from stomach reflux, constant regurgitation, or gastroparesis, this video is for you. Unamol is a medicine mainly used to treat these tummy troubles. For example, if you have reflux esophagitis, Unamol can help calm the swelling and discomfort. It also works well for long-lasting regurgitation and gastroparesis, which is when your stomach empties slower than it should. So, how does it work? Unamol makes the muscles in your food pipe and stomach move more, which helps food go through your digestive system easier. Now let's talk about how much to take and how to take it. It's super important to follow your doctor's orders. Usually you start with a small amount and then your doctor might change it to a regular amount. Don't try to guess your own dose and make sure to take it with water, ideally before you eat. Like any medicine, Unamol can have side effects. Some people might get headaches, diarrhea, or feel dizzy. In rare cases, more serious things can happen, like heart rhythm problems. If you notice anything strange, call your doctor right away. Remember, Unamol isn't for everyone. You should avoid it if you've had heart problems before or if you're taking certain other medicines. Always tell your doctor about any other medicines you're taking. So, in short, Unamol can be a good choice for certain digestion issues. Always follow your doctor's advice and don't be shy about asking a healthcare pro any questions you have. Take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you soon.